Heavy-duty Mould steel cutting band saw is a powerful cutting tool designed to cut through thick, mold steel materials quickly and efficiently. It is commonly used in the manufacturing and machining industries, where precision cutting of mold steel is crucial in achieving high-quality finished products. The machine equipped with a variety of features that improve its cutting efficiency and accuracy. It is equipped automatic cooling system ensures the cutting blade is cooling during cutting process, prolonging the life of the blade and improving the overall quality of the cut. Mold steel cutting machine with high efficiency is an essential tool for manufacturers that require high precision and consistency in cutting mold steel materials. Its advanced features and technology make it an ideal solution for businesses looking to streamline their cutting processes and improve their production efficiency. For more cutting solutions, contact leno directly.